Welcome to video 4 of the Using SEO to Market Your Website video tutorial series. So by now you should have a basic understanding of search engines and be familiar with several of the terms and processes associated with them. It's now time to turn our focus to one of the fundamental goals of SEO, and that is to increase the ranking of your web pages among search engines. In the last video, we established that a ranking is a value assigned by the search engine that represents how relevant a web page is to what a user is searching for. After an engine retrieves the results of a search query, it displays the returned listings in order of rank. So the first or highest ranked listing represents what the search engine determines to be the most relevant listing for that particular search string. Such rankings are determined by the search engine's ranking criteria. The forms of ranking criteria can vary from search engine to search engine. Furthermore, search engines often weigh their criteria differently. For instance, one search engine may rank a page higher based on its title, while another search engine may place less value on the title and more value on the page's content. This is one of the main reasons different search engines often provide different results for the same search query. Incoming and outgoing links, a page's domain name, also known as a URL or web address, and meta description tags are also common criteria. Other more specialized search engines often use more specific or unique criteria. The examples of this are search engines that allow owners to buy their rankings. Another example are places that allow their users to rate their listings and then display the listings in order of highest rating. So the challenge of SEO is to take into consideration all of these criteria, as well as identify the purpose, product, and audience of a website, and develop a strategy for increasing search engine rankings. Now, while at first glance, SEO may seem as simple as changing a few tags here and there, or inserting a lot of hot keywords, but I must emphasize that word strategy, because increasing your ranking requires a constant awareness and effort. The key is to make sure that you're shooting for increased rankings in search results that are going to bring the most valuable viewers to your website. So let's say you own a seafood restaurant in Miami, Florida. While a top 10 search result for the phrase seafood restaurant may bring a lot of traffic to the site, your product is local dining, and the real value of your ranking depends on how many people it's going to bring into your restaurant to buy dinner. Instead, you want to find out what people in Miami search for when they're trying to find a restaurant, and then focus on increasing your rank in those results. Remember that it's not always about the most traffic, it's about the most valuable traffic. This is an example of the role that keywords play in search engine optimization. Keywords are one of the 5 main considerations when developing a strategy to increase your rankings. The other main considerations include website and content organization, page optimization, incoming and outgoing links, and traffic monitoring. We'll explore each of these in greater detail as we continue through the video series. In the next 2 videos, we'll discuss keywords and go over some tools and techniques for choosing the right keywords for your website. This completes video 4 of the Using SEO to Market Your Website video tutorial series.